Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer, overhead console. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.